So I will tell you Janine review, unleash the full power of Nexus GPT with OPPYR view. Get one-time access to all 20 plus premium OPPYO apps for a low one-time price. Save up to $16,000 every year, get unlimited growth, easy integrations. This is Nexus GPT customers only exclusive founder special limited time offer. So don't miss it. The old way of building your online business. Must purchase multiple apps and spend time managing them. Most business owners use over 20 software and services to run their online business. The result is a complicated and expensive mess that wastes a lot of time and decreases your effectiveness. And you can see information overload and complex technical stuff. You need to learn multiple apps, resulting in information overload and confusion. You are also expected to have the technical knowledge to use these apps. Apps can work slowly and be difficult to connect one with another. Is your online business duct taped together with different software? Connecting all these apps is difficult and you lose important data, intelligence and output that slows your growth. You can see what if you could transform your business with a single app. Never waste your time, money, and energy again dealing with multiple apps. Invest that time and energy to do more business and bring more growth from a single platform. Say hello to OPPYO. OPPYO is more than just building funnels and landing pages, websites, and sending emails. With OPPYO, everything lives in one place so you can get started quickly and build more, sell more, and grow more online. With OPPYO, online business is redefined. Save time and effort. Everything you need. All in one place. OPPYO's all-in-one integrated platform helps you start, manage, and grow your entire online business from one place. Save your time, money, and energy and do more business online. And bring more growth. At every stage of customer lifecycle. OPPYO brings you Fortune 500 companies' growth strategy and technology in an easy way to get you more conversions, more sales, and more growth. Start quick and easy. Easy platform with top-notch support. OPPYO is made for business owners like yourself and very easy to use. Our 24/7 support team is available to answer your questions and our free training will help you get started quickly and easily. You can see in just 15 months, OPPYO has enabled 27,400 plus entrepreneurs to. OPPYO is growing exponentially like a charm. Business owners are loving it because OPPYO enables them with all the tools, proven growth strategies, and support needed in a single platform like a silent business partner to simplify their online business. We are on mission to empower 100K businesses in 2023 and become the No. 1 online business platform for entrepreneurs like yourself. Start online and grow your online business. Everything you need, all in one place. So overall product is the good and I recommend this product, so if you purchase from my link in the description I will provide this bonus. In order to get that bonus you can contact me on MUI Instagram and send me a screenshot of your purchase and I will send your bonus. Build website and membership sites. Sell products and accept payments. Grow all-in-one integrated marketing solution. Manage audience, team, integrations and more. And our growth strategy and all-in-one integrated marketing apps. Bring more growth at every customer touchpoint. You can see with the one-time founders deal, you're saving over $48,000 yearly. Now that is one heck of an investment, isn't it? OPPYO is unrivaled in its offerings. With the special one-time founders deal, you get access to 20 plus premium OPPYO apps at an unmatched one-time pricing of $997 only. So overall product is good, so I recommend this product. Link in the description. You can check the website. Thank you.